I been? Well, actually, that's the reason for this video. Yeah, I've been having some technical difficulties. A lot of them. But I upgraded my phone, so now it doesn't really make a difference about the technical difficulties because this phone shoots just as good, if not a little bit better, than my old camera. I plan on buying another camera, but I'm going to explain what happened. I'm going to show you some updates on what's going on, and then I'll be back full-fledged in YouTube like I'm supposed to be. So, here we go. Okay. So before I start explaining everything that's been going on, let me show you what I've been up to. I've been building from the ground up a bus. This is my bus. TV, radio in the back. That's my son asking questions. Say hi. Poles, has lights. You know, put a lock on the front. I got it going. So, just got the paperwork for the bad boy. And register. Get this thing on the road. Everything there is done. Only issue is we have to figure out this problem with the problem that I have. But once that's done, 100%. But that's what's been keeping me occupied. This has been keeping me occupied. That. Yeah. But it's more than just that. But we'll get to that later. So let's get back to the crib. Finish explaining everything. All right. So now it's time to show you what I upgraded on the Civic and why I haven't been doing videos. And he is just all in it. Like being in my videos? You want to be on YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay. You're going to be on YouTube.
Yeah.
So, first, steering wheel, NRG, done. Radio, and I have a full sound system in the trunk. Akoski shotting gun. I cleaned everything out pretty good. New speakers in the front. There's new speakers in the back also. So let's go to the outside and show you what I did on the outside. So, Mugen wing. I did my little tow hitch. Right now it's on LS Webs, but I have another set of grids that are being painted right now, so that's why they're not on. Now, I don't know if I told everybody. Well, I know I posted it on Instagram, but my Civic was hit. So, I'm going to put a picture up of what it looked like, but headlights, new. Rad support, new. I had to do the inner outer tie rods. I had to do the power steering rack. I had to fix this because they broke the little piece off the side. So basically everything in the front, from the headlights, rack and pinion, inner outer tie rods, ball joints, headlights, I think I said that already, bumper, all that's brand new. So we got that done, and underneath, all I did was a tune-up, fixed a few wires that was messed up. But besides that, she's running and driving, and everything's good. So for whatever reason, anytime I try to use my camera, I keep getting this error code. And I don't know why it keeps happening. If anybody has dealt with this in the comments, please let me know how to fix this, because this is annoying. So this is why lately I've been filming on my phone, and I bought a new phone so that I can film and it be better quality. So that's another reason why our videos have been non-existent, because I didn't have a phone that could properly give me the quality I wanted, and my camera is down. So now on to the next. So excuse the glasses, but what I got going on now. Right now, I am going to put a new radio in here because this one doesn't have Bluetooth. So right now, what I'm doing is taking the wiring apart, and then I'm going to take the new wiring, hook it up before I put the radio in, and then boom, radio. So I'll get back to you when I'm done with that.